Kindiat sengi hadian baka sorkar jala kala weng no eka jingkhang ban wanra eki dohkha gi bana shabar jonga jala ka yo ka hat hapo kanong ba kala thnam ba ha ka jingya di yathit hendrai nakalyang jonga sorkar hadian ka jingyalang menteri sorkar kala penpau ba wat la dala weng no eka di ka jingkhang ban wanra na shabar hendrai ka jing tes yaki kan long man kapor balada jia badang lap biang ka sorkar kan bteng ban khang biang eka jingdi ki dohkha Habaya keran bekilat patai kubor hadian balawai ke jingelang kunhun menteri sorkar ke Dr. Mazel Amprin lingdo kalaong. Bakinu kinu ki bakta eka kot ke khia jogi patba ke sorkar ke diban syem ya karai ke beteng bat ke dawai bi formalin ke ke dawai ke babu jingma ke bakrau na ke benta ki patba lada ki bam ya ke dohkha ke blak lang bat ke tai ke dawai.
Kanu ke benta ke bakta ya ke kot ke khia jong kinong shong snong ke sorkar ke diban syem ya karai ke baklan formalin kadai kadawai ke bapi ai kumbala pensai menen kumbala pensai manga mensuai ya ka preservation jong ka met jong ki brio ta lada phi pendon kam ya ka jo ka substance ka bam jong ki brio kan long very dangerous tinginum compromise alor kata mat kumbangila dep ong na do arhun riu tarik kan don ke relief tangba ngin hab yai tes ya ka dohkha ban pek ba kani ka jingdon jongkum kani ka bi ka bangi ba ti ladet pensaya kata di chief minister I menteri rangba jong ka state nindru kamdon kanu ka jing thmu ban pendu ya ka business dong nong jong tamba mapi ki bawan ra ya kata ka bam sha ka state ru kini ru ki traders ki wholesalers ru ki di ban shim kya kai baki wan ra ya kamar kaba upat ba jongi unda ubam kanum don kanu ka jingma ya kamet jongu kadai tangkata ka bangi ong kane ka jing pit ngor phimla banlan namar ba ka advisory ka bangi ai ki pat ba kalong kane kalong ka jing yoi ka jing lam hadin bala test ni ka jing start upat ba ka un bam ne unum bam ne ta ka doka ngi la de play la ka jong ka duty Honorable Chief Minister may not have been briefed that the ban was on till the 26th. However, henceforth, random testing will continue. And if tomorrow another test is conducted and it is found that the formalin levels in fish is very high, then we will have to reinstate the ban. The Chief Minister was simply responding to a query of the media as to what is the take of the government on this matter. And the statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister clearly stated that the ban will continue if formalin is again found in high, dangerous, whether high or low, unacceptable levels. Formalin is formalin, it is not to be used. So the Chief Minister is saying that if tomorrow it is found that this again repeats in the test taken by the Health Safety Commission, it will be immediately taken out of the market. The Health Safety Commission is a competent authority to clarify all of these doubts. You may kindly sit with the competent authority who is either the commissioner herself, who is the DC, or the health officer, the food safety commissioner herself. Please sit with them. We don't want these gaps to occur. We are the political masters. We are saying that this is what has been found. And if tomorrow it is found again, then again the ban will be reinstated. So, for correct information as to whether or not the lift is there or not, I have seen it in my inbox. I have access to that. So, there will be a lift, but if the next test again comes, if the result is the same, see, like we said, community has to take all the necessary precautions. You know now that a certain fish coming from a certain state constantly has the same formalin in their preservatory that is used for that preservation of that fish. So we should avoid so that there is no market. Simple. If you want to remain healthy and safe, time and again for many years now. This is not something which is happening only now. You've seen it again. 17, you've seen it in 14. Time and again these tests keep revealing that fact. So stick to fish which is safe to eat. There is a prescribed procedure, and that prescribed procedure will be implemented. We have had an interaction with the vendors, wholesalers, and fish merchants. We've already said, you are the ones buying this material to bring to our state to sell. Insulate your safety measures for your own consumers. It is in their interest that this is done. They say that they have a certification from the government of Karnataka. Now, where is it happening? Where is this tampering happening? Now, you need to figure out, because you are the vendors. If I'm bringing something to the market and selling it to you, I have to ensure that it has a full safety measure and I have insulated my people myself. So, you can't keep passing the buck. But there is a procedure for violation of food safety, and that procedure shall be applied. And I am not the competent authority to tell you that, because there is a competent authority. Please sit with the DC, who is the chairperson of that commission. Sit with the food safety officer. They will give you a more detailed information. We are only taking a decision to insulate and ensure that safety is there for the people of the state of Meghalaya, beyond which our duty will obviously stop. I don't know why you don't sit with these people to get better information. They are more conversant with the law. How do you expect a minister to be conversant with every law? I already have a report, but the report is just that much. That for 15 days, the consignment that came will take 15 days approximately to get out of the system. A fresh consignment will likely come after 15 to 20 days. So that is what has been done. Please sit with the officers concerned and get a proper detail so that you give proper information to the public. I have also had the same conversation with them, where I asked them approximately how many days would a truck or a lorry take to travel all the way from Karnataka to Shillong. I was telling them that it would take minimum of 15 days, but they are convinced that it takes 4 days. So this is something which, again, I am not an expert. So the safety, the food safety inspector is the best and most competent person to do this. We have instructed them to take this seriously and to do all the necessary inquiries. Find out, because that is what they said, 4 days. And even 4 days, fish has a very short shelf life. How does it continue to be fresh and look fresh after so many days is the $1 million question. So, public should cautiously have or consume such items of food which have traveled that distance. Go local. I'm not, again, advertising for local, but go for something which is safe for you.